Hi, everyone. Roxanne Langley, your money coach here. Thank you for sharing your time and visiting my channel again. This week's video, I thought we would talk about our financial houses. Taking a financial inventory is much like taking an inventory around your house, especially now that we've been home more this year. We're making those lists of repairs or updates or donations. And so looking at your financial inventory with your money, it's done in the most basic, same way. Now, it's a great first step to getting the financial house in order and getting it started off correctly. No matter what life stage you're in, this is an area that really does come in handy. You just never know. If you find yourself newly single, it allows you an opportunity to reset and gain that security and taking control again over your money and consequently over your future. So let's get started. To start with, the first thing you want to do, you have to start with knowing your income and your expenses. You should know how much money you have coming in every month. List your salaries. If you're doing side hustles, any extra income you have coming in. If you're taking distributions from Social Security or a retirement account, any monthly payments that you receive. Now, as for expenses, first, you want to list all your fixed expenses and your monthly loan obligations. This is your mortgages, auto loans, or a student loan, perhaps. Also, in this area, I like to include the lender's name, the current interest rate that you're paying, and also the remaining months or years that you have left on the loan, along with the current balance. Now, you should also have a good idea of those monthly discretionary expenses. Sometimes we call these the non-essentials. This is the area of the budget that is where we will dive into if we need to make some adjustments. We need to lower some expenses or find out where some of those so-called money leaks are at. Now, these are the monthly cable bill, the subscriptions for streaming services, or it could be, eating out, piano lessons for the kids. Now, these are your extra non-essential expenses. Now, the next thing that you want to do is add a list that has all your accounts that hold your money. Include all your bank accounts, checking, savings, your investment accounts, and also retirement accounts. Third is list any and all assets that you may own. Now, perhaps you have rental property, or a vacation home, life insurance policies, or collectibles, an art collection, coin collections, anything like that, any of your annuities. You want to list all your assets. Now, the fourth thing to pay attention to is if you are an employee, review any and all of the employee benefits that you have available, such as health and disability insurance, your 401k matches, tuition benefits, which include continuing education. So while you may not need tuition benefits for a child, if your firm offers continuing education, maybe you want to add some Excel expertise or something, or Microsoft Suite expertise to your repertoire. So you could take some of these maybe at the community college, and your employer may pay for them. That's something to check on. Also, any membership discounts. Another thing you wanted to look at is review a recent pay stub. You want to see the amount of money that your federal income taxes are being withheld, and make a note of this. Finally, last but certainly not least, list all of your important estate documents that you have currently. Also write down on this list where those documents are at. Copies of your retirement and investment account paperwork, your will, any special letter of instructions that you may have. If these copies are kept at the bank in a safe deposit box, consider having a second set of copies at your house in your home safe, just in case. You never know, over a long weekend you want to go through and maybe look at revising them. The bank's closed. This way you have a copy of them at the house. Now, with this information, you actually have an all-around snapshot of your financial picture so that you can make whatever changes that you want for the upcoming year. Analyze your monthly budget to determine if you need to adjust the amount that you're saving or investing. Does it make sense to refinance your mortgage or a car loan? Are the interest rates cheaper somewhere else? Is there a big enough difference to justify the refi? Identify any employee benefits that you may have forgotten about and that you can take advantage of, along with possibly, maybe not, but possibly adjusting your tax withholding for next year. Understand what estate planning documents that you do have right now, and perhaps what is missing. If you've had a life change, this could be in the form of if you've had children, if you find yourself newly married or newly single. There may be some changes that you need to make or you need to add. It's all about knowing where you are right now so you can make the absolute best possible decision about your money moving forward. Creating your financial inventory, something as simple as an Excel spreadsheet, a Word document, or just a good old legal pad and a pen is all you need to get started. It's a great foundational first step for you. If you have any questions about working with a money coach and would like more information, please contact me through email, my website, telephone. Let's schedule a 30-minute consultation. It's no charge, and I'd love to talk to you and find out about your financial situation, and let's get you started off on the right step. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as they say, and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to share it with any other people, family, friends that you think that it might be helpful for. As I release more videos, I would love to know if there are any particular topics that you'd like to see, covered or that you'd like for me to talk about. I'm always looking for new ideas. So thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week.